How to get started in Whoop by creating an account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's quick video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Whoop account. Now this video is for Whoop beginners, so let's get started. So the first step here is you will simply need to search for Whoop in your browser. After you search for it, head over to Whoop's website that comes up first. So you can directly head over to whoop.com as well. So as you can see right here, this is the initial page that you'll be on. Now, if you already have an account, tap on login here. If you don't have an account, tap on sign up. Tap on sign up and it will prompt you to another page where you can start creating an account. So first you will get a place to type in your email. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can also create an account with your Discord, your Google, and your crypto wallet, or your X or your Apple account. So you can simply type in your email here, tap on continue, or simply choose anyone from here. So choosing anyone from here is a lot simpler than simply going through the process. So yeah, just do whichever suits you the best. Now, they will send you an email. So just open up your mail. Let me open up my email and check for the verification code. Type in the code right here and hit enter. After you type the code in, you will first need to type in your name, tap on next, and go through with this process. So let's do that here. Let me close this. And now you can pick a username if you want. Then tap on next again. You can change the username as well and then upload your picture. Now let me just choose an avatar here and then tap on save. After you do that here, now you can simply choose where you want to join. And after you do that, you can simply tap on next. So let me join in on view here and then tap on next. And after you do that, you basically have created your Whoop account. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.